Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best method to check your Square loan eligibility. When I first started looking into a Square loan for my business, I kept hearing that it was an invite-only process, and I wasn't entirely sure how I was supposed to check my eligibility. I thought I'd have to call someone or fill out a long pre-qualification form. But based on my experience, the absolute best and most straightforward way to see if you qualify is to check your Square dashboard. This is a critical point. Square loan offers are automatic and invite-only. They don't have a public application. You can just fill out whenever you feel like it. They look at the data they already have from your business, processing payments through Square. They're reviewing your account daily for eligibility. So how did I check? I simply logged into my Square dashboard. You go to the section labeled Banking, or sometimes it's under a Direct Loans tab. If you're eligible for an offer, you will see a personalized loan amount right there waiting for you. It's really that simple. If there's an offer, you're eligible. If there's no offer, you're not eligible at this time. Now, a lot of people ask, what are they looking for? While Square doesn't share a secret formula, I learned from observing my own business activity that they are mainly assessing three things that impact the offers I receive. Processing volume. They want to see consistent, healthy sales. Generally, they look for businesses that have processed at least $10,000 or more over the last year. The higher your processing volume, the larger the loan offer you might receive. Payment frequency. They like to see a steady pattern of taking payments. If you're using Square regularly, that tells them your business is active and stable. Account history. Having a good history with minimal payment disputes or chargebacks shows them that you run a reliable operation. I found that actively trying to improve these areas, like increasing my consistent sales and making sure my customer disputes were low, was the best way to encourage a loan offer to appear in my dashboard. I didn't need to call a representative or provide extra paperwork. The information was all right there in the dashboard when I qualified. So, forget the complex applications. The single best method to check your eligibility is to log into your Square dashboard and see if a customized loan offer is waiting for you in the loans or banking section. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.